1967 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car's coming out of long-term ownership. Designer of this vehicle actually had it for 20 plus years. Received it from his uncle out of Texas. 289 underneath the hood that he had bored out when it was rebuilt, according to the previous owner. Original C-code car, so it would have came with a 289. Automatic transmission, C4 automatic to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome. Of course, the pony grille. This car has underwent a repaint along the way. Take your time looking through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on chrome wheels with the tri-bar spinners. General tires that have plenty of tread left on those. Brakes, newer brakes. The techs actually noted that looked at this car 100% all the way around as far as the brakes. Newer ball joints up front and control arms. There are some miscellaneous parts that will go along with this, and I'll tell you about those in just a second. First of all, as we can see up and down this passenger side, it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few imperfections here or there that I did notice, and you'll see in the still pics, but nothing major. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take a look at the interior. Seat belts intact. Front seats appear that they have been reupholstered. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, chrome rear bumper looking good, dual exhaust, and it is a true dual exhaust front to rear. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at that engine bay. We're also going to take the car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So there is some more upholstery. The rear of the driver's seat needs a little bit of TLC. There's a kick panel. There's some extra brake shoes. Again, miscellaneous parts. Looks like some Mustang emblems, gaskets, fuel line, and whatnot. Repair manual. That will get put back in the car and go along with the car. And you'll be able to see those things in the still pics too. And once again, those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into old school Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. As we take a look up and down the driver's side of this car, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Like I said, has underwent repaint. I did want to note the blinker indicators in the hood. Side glass and the rear window, as you can see, are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the darkness or percentage of window tint that you can have. All right, door panels. Carpeting, as you can see, good shape. Vinyl seats up front here, free of rips, tears, holes. Notice it had a Blaupunk stereo in it. I have not had that power up. I have had the wipers working. Let's fire it up so you can hear this run. Again, original C-code car. Let's take a look out of that dash, or on the hood. Blinker indicators are working as well as in the car. Good look at the dash. Of course, automatic on the floor. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that 289. Sounds good. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, or I should say Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And there's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And there it is. Again, $289 originally. According to the previous owner, has been bored. Holly 4-barrel. Technicians noted was on there. There's a battery disconnect right there for in between drives or while it's in storage. Always comes in handy. Good sounding engine. Once again, stick around. Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Ford Mustang in white with black interior. This is an automatic on the floor, right on the center hump there. Both our turn signal indicators are working, and that means on the dash as well as the hood, in those hood extractor simulated vents there. We got a lot of traffic coming down the road. The oil pressure is reading just under half on the gauge, and the alternator is reading right at the halfway point. Coolant is just coming off of a quarter of the way up the gauge, and we get to go. Let's see how she does on the highway. Fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. Speedometer working well. The wipers also do work on this car. Acceleration and throttle response is good. Factory horn working well. I like these unique factory horns with one piece that tilts 3 directions, or you can press the center. One of those Mustang features. Nice looking vinyl bucket seats in this Mustang. Cruises down the road nicely. Yeah, a little bit of slack in the steering. Not enough to cause any kind of problems. Brakes work well. Corner's about what you'd expect for a factory suspension 1967 Mustang. Putting my foot to the floor, the kickdown is working as it should on that automatic transmission. Nice looking 1967 Mustang. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.